Serene Light Path, Japanese oil massage, ASMR for calm restoration in the quiet space between touch and sound. Serene Light Path begins a Japanese oil massage ASMR experience created to guide you into deep calm and gentle restoration. This ritual is more than relaxation. It is a mindful journey that connects your body, breath, and energy through the soothing language of sound and movement. Every whisper, every drop of oil, and every soft glide of the hand becomes part of a peaceful rhythm that invites the spirit to rest. The session opens with a gentle breath of stillness. Warm light fills the room, and the therapist slowly prepares aromatic oils infused with green tea and hinoki wood. The air feels alive with calm energy. As the oil warms between the palms, its soft scent begins to open the senses. The first touch is quiet and deliberate, spreading warmth across the skin. The ASMR captures each detail: the light brushing of fingertips, the faint sound of palms meeting, and the soothing flow of oil as it glides over the body. This is where the Serene Light Path truly begins. The therapist moves in slow, circular motions, following the natural rhythm of the breath. The sound of hands moving through oil creates a gentle, continuous melody, like the murmur of a calm river. With every motion, tension begins to melt away. Shoulders soften, the back unwinds, and the body starts to feel weightless. The ASMR whispers amplify this feeling, turning small sounds into powerful waves of comfort that echo through the mind. The middle part of the session focuses on renewal. The therapist works along the body's energy lines, blending traditional Japanese massage techniques with intuitive flow. Each stroke follows an unbroken rhythm, steady, patient, and deeply intentional. The soft pressing and gliding help realign inner balance, while the faint patter of oil and the slow breathing of the therapist create an atmosphere of complete harmony. The listener begins to drift, carried by sound and sensation into a state of meditative stillness. In this calm space, the mind becomes quiet, thoughts fade like clouds, leaving behind a clear sky of awareness. The ASMR continues to weave around the listener: the faint creak of the table, the whisper of fabric, the rhythmic slide of palms across skin. Every sound feels alive and nurturing, grounding the senses while lifting the spirit. It is a tender reminder that calm is not found by escaping the world, but by softening into the present moment. As the ritual deepens, a sense of gentle warmth expands through the body. The therapist's movements grow slower, more fluid, mirroring the listener's relaxed breath. The oils glisten softly under the warm light, carrying the scent of peace through the air. The ASMR tones deepen into soft, rhythmic layers that soothe every part of the nervous system. Here, the body and mind begin to meet in balance, the spirit quietly restored to its natural rhythm. Near the end of the session, the therapist performs a light finishing touch, gentle sweeping motions that calm the energy field around the body. The sound of the final strokes is delicate and almost musical, a whisper of closure and gratitude. The excess oil is wiped away with a soft towel, and the last breath of warmth lingers like a tender farewell. When silence returns, it feels fuller, deeper, more peaceful. The listener rests in the soft glow of renewal, surrounded by the quiet presence of serenity. The body feels cleansed, the heart lighter, and the spirit restored. Serene Light Path is a journey of stillness, a reminder that true calm comes not from escape, but from gentle awareness, through the harmony of sound, touch, and mindful care. This Japanese oil massage ASMR becomes a peaceful path where body and soul move together toward balance, clarity, and calm restoration.
Hello friends, how are you and how is everything going? Yes, I know you people doing very good. Friends, how is today our Japanese massage video, Japanese oil massage video? I know you people like our video very much because all our videos are very informative, which is really helpful to build up your health, soul, body and mind. And friends, you know Japanese massage is 100% natural and everyone can take this massage. Here is no use any medicine or any chemical. Here is only natural oil and a massage. So it's safe for everyone. If you want to get a peaceful, happy life, you easily take this massage. And friends, if you have any question about Japanese massage, just make a comment in our channel comment section. Our team will give you reply very soon. And friends, stay with us, watch our video and practice it at home and get a peaceful, happy, pain-free life. No more today. See you next video, and friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel, make a comment, like and share, and see you next video. Take care. Bye bye.